Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. So in today's session, we'll see how to set budget. So why it is required? Because AWS provide us massive access of resources. So if we are not using it properly, so it could charge us massively. That's why that is the reason we need to set the budget. So how we need to set the budget? We'll go to the here. First we need to create a AWS our account name and a billing dashboard. We will get the option, and post that we get option of budget. So post create clicking here you could see that it's mentioned AWS budget is your hub for creating, tracking, and inspecting your budget. So it's only for inspection. It doesn't mean, let suppose we have set the budget of $20. So it doesn't mean it won't charge more than $20. It will only notify that if it's exceeding the set budget, so it will not notify that. That the reason we need to set the budget. So what we need to do, go to create a budget, and we'll see here we'll get the monthly cost budget, and here you can mention like training budget. You can mention anything as per your convenient. TRAI training budget, and here you mention $10. So post $10, if it will charge more than $10 if any services, so it will notify us. So in next session I will show you, and we need to put here email ID on which email ID you want to get notification. So let's suppose it's my email ID rajivrai@gmail.com. So on this email ID we want to get notification. So okay, so that's it. And next session we'll see what is EC2, AWS, and how to create instance, and how we can access those services. So we'll see in next session. Thank you so much.